What if I told you there are 5 ETFs that most investors either overlook or have never even heard of? Yet they've been outperforming many traditional investing strategies thanks to unique advantages and specialized approaches that fly under the radar. While millions of investors pile into the same popular funds, these ETFs are targeting specific factors, trends, and opportunities that have deliver higher growth, stronger income, and enhanced diversification. So today, we're breaking down these ETFs and uncovering the unique edge behind each one to see whether they deserve a place in your portfolio. ETF number 1, AVUV. This ETF focuses on one area of the market that many investors ignore: small cap value stocks. These are smaller companies that are trading at attractive valuations compared to their fundamentals. What makes AVUV special is its active approach. Instead of simply buying every small company, it screens for businesses with strong profitability and attractive valuations. This helps investors target a segment of the market that has historically produced some of the strongest long-term returns. Since its inception in 2019, this fund has delivered an impressive average annual return of approximately 15.8%, showcasing the potential of the small-cap value strategy. For investors looking to diversify beyond the big tech giants and tap into a different source of growth, this ETF can be a powerful addition to a long-term portfolio. ETF number 2, SPMO. SPMO takes a completely different approach. Instead of focusing on company size or valuation, it focuses on momentum. In simple terms, it invests more heavily in stocks that are already showing strong performance and positive trends. The idea behind momentum investing is simple. Winners often continue winning for longer than most people expect. SPMO constantly adjusts its holdings to capture the strongest performing stocks within the S&P 500. Its biggest advantage is that it allows investors to systematically follow the market's strongest performers without having to constantly research and analyze individual stocks. This momentum-driven strategy has helped SPMO deliver an impressive average annual return of approximately 19.7% since inception. ETF number 3, TSPY. TSPY combines two things that many investors want: exposure to the S&P 500 and a high level of income. This ETF uses an option strategy on top of its stock holdings to generate additional cash flow. Instead of relying solely on stock appreciation, TSPY aims to produce regular income distributions while still participating in the growth of large U.S. companies. By combining S&P 500 exposure with an income-focused option strategy, it provides an unmatched edge of both growth potential and regular distributions. Since its inception in 2024, TSPY has delivered an impressive annualized return of over 31%, demonstrating the potential of its unique approach. ETF number 4, VOOG. VOOG focuses on the growth segment of the S&P 500, investing in companies expected to grow faster than the average business. It holds many of the market's most innovative and dominant companies, making it a concentrated bet on the growth engines of the American economy. This strategy has helped VOOG deliver an impressive average annual return of over 17.2% since its inception in 2010. ETF number 5, GPIQ. GPIQ combines exposure to high-growth companies with an income-generating strategy designed to enhance cash flow. What makes it unique is its focus on businesses benefiting from powerful long-term trends, such as artificial intelligence, technology, and innovation, while simultaneously utilizing option strategies to generate additional income. Its biggest advantage is that it bridges the gap between growth investing and income investing by providing exposure to some of the market's fastest-growing opportunities while also producing meaningful distributions. This unique approach has helped GPIQ generate an impressive average annual return of over 28% since its inception. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more ETF and investing content.